We begin with a different-looking school day in many Bay Area classrooms. For the first time in years, many students were able to go to school without wearing masks. The statewide mandate is now lifted, but as KPIX5's Devin Fehely explains, many parents and students aren't ready to give up the added layer of protection.
Today was the first day that masks statewide became optional for students. They were elective, in essence, a choice. And while we certainly found students eager to ditch their masks, we also found a fair number who say they're not ready to go maskless in schools just yet.
It was very surprising to see most people are still wearing their masks.
Angelo Lee says at San Jose's Mount Pleasant High School, students with masks far outnumbered those without.
A large portion of the students, so maybe like about 80%, are still wearing their mask.
For some, it just came down to a choice about how best to protect themselves and others in their lives.
My parents are a little older, like my mom is like in her 50s and my dad's in his 60s. And I feel like if they got sick, that things wouldn't be as good. And I had an aunt that passed away from COVID, so I just feel safer with it on.
Lifting the statewide mandate means the decision to wear a mask or not will now be made by individual students or families or school districts. At Livermore's Rancho Las Positas Elementary, Danielle Lane's kindergarten class was nearly mask-free.
This is really refreshing. I've been looking forward to it, allowing these kids to be able to breathe.
Public health officials say parents should look at case counts, rates of vaccination within a school community, and any health vulnerabilities of their children before ditching their masks.
Is it generally safe for a kid to take the mask off? I would say yes, with an asterisk next to it, and the asterisk depends on who they are, who they live with, and if they're vaccinated.
But some parents like Jennifer Johnson say they're just not ready yet to abandon the safety measures that have kept their kids healthy and COVID-free these past 2 years.
Because they're pretty much elementary, middle school, we said you're still wearing the mask. So yeah, it's highly recommended.
We did ask students when they might feel comfortable getting rid of their masks, and many of them said they simply plan to finish out the school year wearing their masks. In San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX5.
Oakland Unified is one of the notable exceptions. The district is keeping its indoor mask mandate through April 15th and outdoor mandate for another 2 weeks. San Francisco Unified is keeping masks on for elementary school students. It comes as the COVID positivity rate in California continues to drop. It's now 1.5%. The state reporting a daily average of about 3,400 new cases.